Welcome to JavaScript for Beginners, and in this video we're going to focus on CleaveJS. So let me explain a little bit more about CleaveJS. CleaveJS is a very nice and very simple function. Basically what it does is it cleans up and organizes and formats your input. As you can see here, for example, here you have the credit card number. So if we put in the starting with number 4, it will automatically structure it with 4 digits. So let's start with that. 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's really nice. So this kind of things is very valuable because sometimes you want to structure values like this, or you want to structure them by phone numbers, as you can see in here, or in dates. And what happens is you will restrict them. For example, if you have a credit card number, you're not able to put in any text and you cannot extend more than that. And the same as if you would do 3, 4, which we will focus on MasterCard, put in all these numbers, you see the order of them changes as well. So here, to make it more clear, you can see all these kind of numbers here. So this is really a very nice JavaScript library to use to organize quickly your things, your input. So let me show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Well, first of all, we're going to get this. How you get this? Well, very simple. Just go here on Bootstrap and just copy here to get this starter template. And I googled a API and I saw an API regarding to what is it, CleaveJS. So you can see CleaveJS has an API in Cloudflare. So Google it, or you can just copy this one here. Very simple. So once you have this, let's save this and let's go back here. You can see here, refresh, and you see it's gone. I already was starting to work on it. So let's put in an input. So if we have an input here, so you have to understand how this works. And then type, this can be numbers. So what happened here? Number, and then we'll just close this. All right, no, I don't want to buy this. All right, so refresh here. Now we have an input here. So this is starting point, and I think they even use tel here. And the reason why they use tel here, because you can see this is up and down. If I refresh, and then now you don't have this up and down and zone numbers as well, because if you put in letters, so it still works. However, later on we're going to play with that. So I'm going to give this some slight design so it will look a bit more better. Class form I think it's form control. Let's see if it has something. Oh, yes, it has something. All right, so that's fine for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this piece of code here. And you can see here it has a class element in here. So let's copy this piece of code. And then let's store this here at the bottom. Make sure you put it down here. And once you put it down here, I'm just going to put in a script. So the reason why we're putting it down here, very simple, because here's our CleaveJS script. So everything down here, so the library will be written here. It can read what's in here. All right. So we've got everything here. Let's save this for now. I'm going to give this class to our input. So we have a form control, we have this, let's save this. Oh, not that one. I have to refresh this and let's see what happens now. So if I put in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see now it structures exactly as this. So let's see what's the value. So if we put in 3, 4, we have this structure here. Let's double check that. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Well, as you can see, it's very nice. So that works. So if we would do the other one, here, if we would select let's select Visa, so it starts with 4 and then 4, 4, 4. So we'll have a segment of 4, 4, 4. And you can see it works perfectly. So this is really how you can start with CleaveJS. It's a very basic one and it's really nice. It helps you a lot, and then really have a preset here, so it'll save you some time.